So here my friend is here. What's your name is?
This is me, Tushar.
So here Mr. Tushar is here, and just we are going to show something new. So here is no smoking. So Mr. Tushar, what would you like to say?
This shows that this is literally natural place. So we should not smoke there at this place. And
For our health, for our
even
health.
it is also beneficial for our health. Smoking it's dangerous for our health. We should be cautious about that. And in the time of the pollution, it shows the main cause of the pollution, and even the air pollution is not not as much dangerous than it. It is a vast dangerous for us, for our health, for our lungs, for our blood, and all over the life. It can be destroyed, and even it can be also it is also doing destroyed all over the nation, all over the world. This is a damn dangerous.
Yeah, and even there's the wrappers, the plastic of this beauty parlor secret. They are showing that this things is dangerous.
It is a dangerous
for you, for us.
We should
And even
cautious
the people
about
they are eating, they are taking, they are addicted to that of the thing. So
Actually,
after that, they after taking, they got disease,
diseases, huh?
and after that they got they are admitted in hospital.
Of course, actually they are in a smoking,
Yeah.
and when we use the tobacco, there is a nicotine, and the nicotine make us addicted through the all over the addiction things. Just like for example, we can use the example of the tea.
Yeah.
In a tea, lots of the people who is speaking that I am a teetotaler. I do not use any addictional tea. We do not use any. Smoking that is a dangerous for us. Even the tea also, in a tea also exists nicotine, and but as compared to the in a cigarette, in a pan masalas, there is the volume of the amount of the nicotine is so vast. That's why the people, in spite of watching, in spite of looking that riper, this is the dangerous cautious riper, instead of this they are smoking, they are using it. That's why, and we should also go outside from this.
So guys, after that they admitted in the hospital, they are longing and they are crazy about to see the beauty, and each and every moment they are just going to enjoy.
Of
But they are
course.
not able to go outside from the hospital.
Yeah, because of
And after
because
that they are paying
because
money.
of this thing,
Yeah,
because of this thing,
because
this
of-
5 rupees thing, this 5
5 rupees can
thing
enjoy and
can-
worth your life.
Of course, the 5-minute enjoyment can worth your life. The 5 rupees can also worth
And
your life.
also those people who are addicted to drink wine,
Huh.
they are in their homes, in their family, they are going different of the fighting and violence. So please think about that point and tell something, give information.
There is also exists the addiction thing, the addiction that is a nicotine that made us destroyed, and that can be it is also dangerous for our health. That can
And
that can-
cancer, yeah.
of course, cause of the cancer. This all thing, that is smoking, the drinking of the wine, using of alcohol, and the lots of the pan masala. It is dangerous for our health. It can make us in paralysis. It can make us pernicious. It
Yeah.
can make us in a devastating condition. That's my points.
And say something and give suggestion, give advice. Those people, they are addicted to eat this and this pan bidi cigarette, this type of the thing. Please say something.
Just try to remove it and come back from the situation easily. It is not very easy to come out from the situation, but it is not impossible. If you will commit this, and then you will come. There is a lots of the medicines, there is a lots of the chewings.
Yeah.
When you use it just like a center-fresh chewing gum, and there is a lots of the chewings that can make you able to come out from the situation.
And firstly they are paying money for taking and having this type of the pan bidi cigarette, and after that after eating they are also paying additional money to get rid of this type of the habits.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Please do not smoke, do not eat any worse things.
It's our humble request.
Yeah, humble request from the core of the heart. So please be safe, stay in your home, be happy. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you so much, guys.